Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. This particular video is about some stocks that I bought today, and you can see the ticker symbol here. So in this video, I will be going over this stock price movement, support and resistance, and why I invested today. I also wanted to say that last Friday was a red day and I did some discounted shopping. Today I was also prepared to buy more stock if they dipped. So some stocks I bought like as a dip because in the midday or end of the day some of them came down. So also keep that in mind that sometimes we feel bad when it's a red day, but also when you think like this is an opportunity to grab more shares, you are doing some discounted shopping, then sometimes red days are not good, because if you believe the stocks will go high again, then you will get more profit. So today was a good day for me, like I did some discounted shopping. So let's start with the first one is the Ford Motors, and you can see the chart, like it went up so high, it came down, and there was a news that Ford names Google preferred cloud provider. All vehicles will run Android by 2023. You can go over the report in Yahoo. I'm not going there. But if you look at the price action, you can see that today we went up, we came down, and we are currently staying over that 1082 mark, and we are also making a bull flag pattern, and I was predicting we will break the pattern, and I think after hours we are already up. We are close to $11. So watch out tomorrow. Maybe if it comes down, you can also get into the stock. I think it will go higher, and I think also the earning for Ford is very soon. If I'm not wrong, correct me in the comment box. So look at the pattern. Even on a 5-minute chart, you can see a bull flag. So you can see currently here, and we might go higher tomorrow. $12, $13, who knows. The next stock is Excel Fleet. So that stock again forming a nice bull flag pattern. Before I go to the chart, I just wanted to show that for this particular stock, you can see the change versus previous month is 40% short interest data. So it was like 4.2 million, and now it is close to 6 million shares shorted, which is an increase of 40%. And we all know how short interest, short float, those kind of stocks, how they work. Okay, so let's look at the chart now. So this is the daily chart I'm showing you. So that stock ran from $15 up to like $35, then it came down, tried to go up around like $24, it came down again, it tried to go up, it couldn't break through. So you can see like there is a falling wedge pattern. At the same time, you can say like bull flag pattern anyway. So it's probable that the stock will just break that line and it will go higher and higher, or this stock can move for next few days within the channel, then it will break out. Today it made a very good breakout. Like if I look at today's chart, you can see that like it was here around 230, then it went all the way up to like $21, it came down, and currently the stock is around 20.17. the after hours it is a little bit high, but you see the pattern, right? So keep an eye. Also look at the support. I will go back to the daily chart again. The support is around 18.6. so this is a good place. If you want, you can buy some share or option and look for the stock, the price movement, it might get out of the pattern. The other one, CLSK, I previously talked about that particular stock. I think here or here, it went up, then it came down. So just looking at the daily chart, you can see the support around like $24.2, and the resistance around 29.6. It could be an easy swing play if you want to establish some position here. If it comes to like 24.2 tomorrow, just get some share or option, and hopefully it will bounce back. If you look that particular line, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 days it bounced off from this particular line, and I think if we go at a shorter time frame, maybe 5 minutes or 10 minutes, maybe we will see like more bounce back from this particular line. So keep an eye on that particular stock as well. And after market, we are already up 17 cents, not that much. The other one is RSI. That stock was around $25. Then like in 5-6 trading days it came severely. It came around like $18. It bounced back, now it's going up, and today like it was like around 18.5, then it ran up like up to more than 20.5. It came down, but I think this is a very good support. Just you can see like how many candles are staying over that particular line, $18, and look at the resistance, 19.8, 20.5, 28.9, and $25. For this particular stock, I bought some April expiry option, and I'm hoping that by April the stock will go back to 25 or even more. I just want to show you the 1 minute chart for this stock, how it behaved today. So yeah, so today you can see we came down here and how we ran up all the way there, then we came down, but the run up was really good. So we ran up, stabilized, we ran up, stabilized, and finally we came down, but I think this stock will go up again. Then the other one is SNDL. I made a video previously on that stock and I said 0.75 is the bottom line if you can grab some share, if you can. And the stock was around 75, 0.74, and today the stock moved up. Currently the stock is like 1.2. I think it went up to 1.25. I'm holding 300 shares for this particular stock. Not too heavy, but I will be holding that for a long term because I think that will go far. The other one is ZOM. I made a video for this particular stock. I think we were around here, and I drew this line and I did not enter because I wanted to make sure the stock will not come back to like 0.3 or something. So it is good to see on a daily chart the stock was consolidating around this area, and today I made a position here. I think I entered around 0.93, yeah, around this area, and it went up, and the blue line is showing, and most probably it will bounce back up that particular line, and the previous high was 1.5. It might go longer, and if you are a holder of that particular stock, you know in March they will bring a product, so till March there could be a run up and then it might go even higher. So anyway, this is also for me is a medium to long term hold for this particular one. The other one, PHUN, I also made a video this weekend, and today we have seen that the stock opened up really high. It went all the way to 3.2, came down around 2.56. I'm still holding, so if it comes below like below 2.4, I might get out or it might go up. I'm holding, not a heavy position, but I just want to see how far we go. The other one, BNGO, I made a video previously on that particular stock. I entered today, not a heavy position, just drawing the line on a daily chart, showing the blue line how the stock is bouncing off and going high. Again, it's a medium to long term hold, and I think this stock will go eventually to $15 to $20 medium terms. And the other one is CRIS. So again, this stock went up to $13, came all the way down, and then around this area $9 it bounced off. Back to back 2 days is went up, again it's coming down, and today I think it bounced off around 9.9 and I made a position. I will see how it goes, but I think it will go back to $12 or $13 eventually. So these are the stocks today I bought, and I thought in coming days this stock will go higher. I might be wrong. These are all my personal thoughts, but I wanted to share the support and resistance and why I bought this particular stock. It's entirely up to you. Do your own research before you buy or sell any stock. If you find this video useful, do not forget to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. More videos will come tonight. Stay tuned. Take care, my friends. Peace.